auto alarm specialist.
Okay, we got ourselves a Jeep Wrangler. What we do, we end up installing the OEM backup camera. You know, this car came with, you know, this nice radio, but it didn't come with the backup camera. So he was suggesting to clamp another mirror here, but that wasn't gonna look right. The nicest way to do it, so that way it's an OEM kit, that way it looks factory, and it is factory, it will look really nice, is to do it with the proper kit. That way when you put the car in reverse, you know, it comes out on the radio just like the way it comes from factory. Okay, and that's basically there's another way to do it. If you don't have this type of radio with the screen and you have the inexpensive Jeep, the Sport, we can always remove this mirror, put one that has a screen on it, and then do it that way too. But since he had the one with the screen, it will, you know, it's a lot nicer to do it on the radio because it's a bigger screen, you know, and it is very factory. And then as far as the back goes, this is the camera. It's a plate that it goes right on the third wheel. I mean, on the fifth tire in the back, the spare tire. Okay, so it points, you know, so there's no, you know, ones that you see that the camera is mounted down here or here, that you got the picture on one side. This is very factory. This is right on the center, and it's the way it comes from factory with these Rubicons. The one is fully loaded that comes with the factory backup camera. So yeah, this is a real nice, it's not cheap, but it's the right way to do it. Okay, this is the backup camera. Thank you for watching this video.